10 AI prompt ideas to replace that expensive consultant. 1. Market opportunity analysis. Analyze the current market landscape for industry and sectors. Identify the top 3 strategic opportunities our business could pursue, considering market size, growth rate, major trends, key customer segments, major competitors, and potential disruptions. Present findings in a structured format: tables, bullet points, and narrative analysis. 2. Competitive positioning blueprint. Help me evaluate my company's positioning compared to competitors in the industry. I will provide details about my business, current products, services, and pricing strategy. Based on this, create a competitor matrix showing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for at least 5 competitors. Recommend positioning statements, differentiation strategies, and examples of messaging I should adopt to stand out. 3. Customer persona and journey design. Using advanced segmentation frameworks, create 3 detailed customer personas for my business and industry. Each persona should include demographics, psychographics, behaviors, goals, pain points, and purchase triggers. Then, map out their complete customer journey from awareness to loyalty, highlighting decision-making points and barriers. Provide actionable recommendations for how my business should engage with each persona across each stage. 4. Risk and scenario planning. Create a risk and scenario analysis for my business strategy and industry. Identify the top 10 strategic risks, internal and external. Then build 3 future scenarios: optimistic, realistic, and pessimistic. For each scenario, outline its impact on revenue, operations, and customers, and suggest mitigation strategies. Conclude with a prioritized risk management plan that balances agility with resilience. 5. Pricing strategy optimizer. Help me develop an optimized pricing strategy for my product, service, and industry. Analyze current pricing models in the market, customer willingness to pay, and competitor pricing. Suggest at least 3 different pricing strategies, for example, value-based, subscription, freemium, tiered. For each, provide expected revenue impact, pros and cons, and examples from successful companies. End with a recommendation of the best model for my context. 6. Go-to-market strategy design. Help me design a go-to-market strategy for launching product service in this target market. Structure the plan into target audience identification, value proposition, pricing strategy, marketing channels, sales enablement, distribution strategy, and key performance indicators. Provide both a short-term launch roadmap, first 90 days, and a long-term scaling roadmap, 12 months. Present this in a clear, step-by-step playbook format. 7. Operational efficiency improvement. Analyze our current operational workflow and suggest 3 key areas for improvement to reduce inefficiencies. Recommend specific tools, technologies, or process changes to implement these improvements. Quantify the potential cost savings and productivity gains for each recommendation. 8. Employee development and training. I have provided you with employee feedback from their direct manager, direct reports, and clients. Analyze and summarize the data. Then find key areas for the employee to work on and provide insight to back up why. Generate a training module for specific skills for employee groups. 9. Change management communication plan. Develop a multi-channel communication plan for the upcoming organizational changes, highlighting key benefits and addressing potential concerns for different employee groups, for example, managers, content creators, analysts. Include specific messaging examples for each channel. 10. Financial health assessment. Analyze the financial health of Company X using the following structured approach. Review revenue trends over the past 3 years. Identify any major fluctuations and explain their causes. Examine cost structures. Assess whether expenses are rising in proportion to revenue. Evaluate key financial ratios. Compare them to industry benchmarks. Analyze cash flow trends. Determine if the company generates sufficient cash to fund its growth. Provide a synthesized financial assessment. In conclusion, these are just a few ways of using AI for your business needs. Stay tuned for more information on better health, more wealth, and increasing self-improvement. And with that, more to come.